By early February, the daffodils are blooming in here.
The stellar jay, Joe.
Yep, there's lots of stellar jays. Lots of red-winged blackbirds in here too, you can hear them.
What, hear the quail?
Yeah, the quail love it in there. Wild roses.
Oh,
Hawthorns have lots of...
beautiful.
It's just bloody warm in here.
So many birds.
And it's like that year-round, more so in the winter it seems. It's end of October here.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I love that. I love that.
That's Pink Pagoda Mountain Ash. Big palm tree in there, eh? See the top of it? Look through that, right beside that tree. Yeah, it's a really big one.
Hi.
See a lot of palms in that garden.
I think it would be a little clump.
Beautiful, eh?
Oh, it's so warm here.
It is so gorgeous. On Salt Spring Island, British Columbia, Canada.